There's a lot of people out there that nobody has even reached out to. And here's people that have no AC or have only electrical powering part of their house because the storm messed up the electrical system, with little babies in there. And
you are a sign of hope to us and certainly those homes that you're going to go visit as homeowners.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for being.
I feel there's still a lot of need in the area, and thought this might be one way we can help out a little bit more.
Most people, I think if they drive down the streets of these towns and cities, they assume that everything is better, you know, because a lot of towns have cleaned up, the debris is off the streets. But when you get to know the people, like in this situation, you see that people still need a lot of help. You know, it's a motivation for me. It's also confirmation of why God called us to be here right now. And it's also motivation for me to really get out and really know the people of these cities and towns and see what we can do to help them.
I'm glad to have been able to participate in the assessment, to be able to have a good look at the needs of this community. Some of these kind of things are just not all that well publicized. I mean, the storm's been a year ago, and I think people have gone on to other issues.
But you know, people have stuff sitting here and there because they have nowhere to put it right now until things get fixed. So living in all that clutter, and then you have mold, things are still wet, floors are uneven. It's a sad situation. But we'll continue helping. Whatever we can do.
We're living in New Orleans, and we are here just about every week bringing in volunteers and helping out with various rebuilding activities.
It touched me because we saw the pictures, but it's different from seeing and actually being there.
So you glad you did this today?
Oh, absolutely. I'm going to do it again on the 15th.